Most people are going to wait until January 1st to try and change their lives, and that is exactly why by February 15th, they will be back to doing the exact same things they did this year. If you want 2026 to actually be the best year of your life, you don't start on New Year's Day. You start now. You need a pre-season. What I'm about to share isn't a suggestion list. It isn't self-care. It is a rigid 90-day operational blueprint designed to reset your dopamine baseline and change your life trajectory before the new year even begins. We call this the lock-in. Before you even start day one, you have to survive day zero. You cannot rely on willpower alone. Willpower is a battery and it runs out. We need to change your physics. First, the goal extraction. Write down 10 things you want to achieve. Now, I want you to ruthlessly delete 7 of them. You are only allowed to keep the top 3. If you chase 10 rabbits, you catch none. Next, the environment scrub. If you're addicted to gaming, the console leaves the room. If you doom scroll in bed, the phone charger moves to the kitchen. And here's a hack I found that changed everything for my focus. Turn your phone to grayscale mode. Make the screen black and white. It strips away the vibrant colors that engineers designed to keep your brain hooked. Make your phone a tool, not a toy. Finally, execute a social contract. Call the person you respect the most. Tell them exactly what you are going to do for the next 90 days. Make a promise you are terrified to break. We are weaponizing social accountability. Now we enter the arena. For the next 90 days, you follow the non-negotiables. First, the not allowed list. No smoking, no gaming, and absolutely no cheap dopamine. If you're scrolling through short-form content just to feel something, you are losing. Here is your daily checklist. If you miss one, you don't quit, but you do not negotiate. 1. Wake up before 6 a.m. Take control of the morning before the world wakes up to distract you. 2. 30 minutes of hard physical training. This must be taxing. We need to physically signal to the body that we are in survival mode. 3. 15 minutes of silence. No music, no podcasts, no inputs, just you and your thoughts. This is uncomfortable, but it's necessary to clear the mental cache. 4. The one task. Complete one uncomfortable task that directly builds your income or a core skill. 5. Biological prime time. Do your hardest work when your brain is sharpest. Phone out of the room. Deep work only. Now, I need to warn you about what's going to happen because no one talks about the psychological timeline of a protocol like this. Days 1 through 14 are the adrenaline phase. You'll feel amazing. The novelty is exciting. You'll feel superior because you're finally taking action. Enjoy it, but don't trust it. Days 15 through 39 are the grind. The novelty wears off. You're sore. You miss your cheap entertainment. This is where discipline begins to replace motivation. But then you hit the danger zone. Days 40 through 50. This is where 99% of people fail. In the danger zone, results slow down. Nothing dramatic is happening. You will feel bored. You will feel like it's not working. Listen to me. Boredom is the gatekeeper. Success is hidden in the boring work when no one is clapping. If you can push through day 50, something magical happens. By day 51, your brain adapts, your dopamine receptors reset, the work becomes easier. And by day 90, your standards will be so high that your old life simply won't fit you anymore. Discipline doesn't come from trying harder, it comes from cutting escape routes. So here is your instruction. Create a physical checklist from day 1 to day 90. Tape it to your wall. Do not hide it in an app. Put it where you have to look at it every single day. Tick the box, win the day, and let's make 2026 the year everything changed. Get to work.